The Internet of Things, an interconnected network of physical devices, vehicles, equipment, home appliances, and other items embedded with electronics, software, sensors, actuators, and network connectivity, which enables these objects to connect, talk, and exchange data. Nordson, an industrial equipment supplier, is committed to taking the lead in IoT connectivity by employing the latest technology to help our customers improve industrial operations. We understand that our customers are working to harmonize a wide range of products to meet very specific needs and require intelligent solutions that can integrate flawlessly. One of Nordson's IoT solutions is our Parent Machine Integration Starter Kit, which makes integrating our products into parent machines fast and easy, oftentimes in less than an hour. The PMI Starter Kit streamlines the integration of Nordson products to help simplify operations. Once integrated, you have immediate, remote access, giving you real-time details on the status of your equipment. The available data simplifies the line operator's job through a graphical and more intuitive user interface on the PLC. Data simplified. Nordson recognizes the importance of data gathering to make the best decisions for the best performance. The PMI Starter Kit provides easy access to critical data that will help you meet your efficiency targets, immediately assess failure modes, minimize downtime, and improve your production output. At the intersection of innovation and customer data collection needs, you will find Nordson's Internet of Things technologies.